Hello, children. Let's continue our lessons. Today, we continue our lesson about baby animals. Right, that's baby animals. Look at this. What is that? Yeah, it's a pig. Ounce, 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 ounce. A pig. Is a mommy pig or a baby pig? It must be a mommy pig, right? So pig and a baby pig. A baby pig is called a what? A baby pig is called a piglet. Can you say piglet? Good. So we got a pig and a piglet. So a baby pig or young pigs is called piglets. Can you say again? Piglet. Good. And next one. Look, is that the mommy or the baby? That's a baby. Okay. That's a baby cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Can you say calf? Good. So a baby cow is called a calf. This is a mother cow, and this is a baby cow. So a cow and a calf. Can you say cow, calf? Good. So calf is a baby cow. Now let's match the mother and the baby. Look, which one goes to which one? Can we match the mommy cows to the baby duck? Is that a baby? No, 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 that's not correct. That is wrong. So we are not going to match the wrong one. Okay, let's match the mother cows to the baby cow. How do we call the baby cow? How do we call it? A calf, right? So a cow here goes to a calf here. Let's match with teacher Stephen. Draw to match. Okay, cow and calf. How about duck? A mother duck is matching to the child duck. A child duck or a baby duck is called a duckling. Can you say duckling? Good. So a duck and duckling. A cow and a calf. A cow and a calf. A duck and duckling. Good. Next, we are matching the mommy and the baby. Look at the pig. The mommy pig goes to the baby pig. Where's the baby pig? Here? No, it's down here, right? So a pig is matching to a piglet. Can you say piglet? Good. So piglet. How about the hens? The mother is a hen. How about the baby? Do we call a hen leg? No, we call it chick. So hen goes to a chick. We got pig, piglet, hens, and chick. Good. So we got hens and chick. Good. You got it. So you know it. You don't have to call those animals as mommy and baby. Thank you. You can practice your worksheet now.